Good morning and namaskaras to everyone. We are assembled on this divine occasion of Navratri here to glorify the goddess of Shakti, Srimati Sri Lalita Parameshwari. Jagadguru Shankaracharya has glorified goddess with many stotras. Of them, one that stands out is the Saundarya Lahari, the waves of bliss, and many commentaries have been written on this Saundarya Lahari to explain the subtleties of the stotra itself. And we are today taking the time to celebrate this occasion with singing of Ananda Lahari, the first 41 verses of the Saundarya Lahari. And we have accomplished uh, musicians to help us celebrate this day. Srimati Lata Mohan is an accomplished Carnatic music singer, and she had her early training under her mother, Srimati Kamala Vaidishwaran, and later on she had many gurus, and later on she had training with Sri D.K. Nagarajan in Maryland, USA. She has given many concerts in India and US. In keeping with her family tradition, she has also learned Lalita Sahasranama and Saundarya Lahari, and with the blessing of Mahapariyavar, she has been teaching Saundarya Lahari and Lalita Sahasranama singing to many of her students. And we are really blessed to have Srimati Lata Mohan sing this Ananda Lahari for us today. She is assisted by her students, Srimati Geeta Krishnamurti, Srimati Sujata Sriram, and Srimati Vijaya Srivatsa. On the violin, we have Tampa's well-known violinist, Sri Ashwin Ramanathan. He learned violin with Srimati Gomati Sundaram. He is currently receiving training from Sri H.K. Narsimurthy and H.N. Bhaskar of Mysuru. He has given many solo performances in USA and India. He has also accomplished accompanied many distinguished vocal singers here in US and in India. And as I said, he is also a professional at Pfizer, managing the finances. So please welcome Srimati Lata Mohan and her students and Sri Ashwin Ramanathan. Namaskaram.
गुरु ब्रह्मा गुरु विष्णु गुरुदेवो महेश्वरः गुरु साक्षात् परब्रह्मा तस्मै श्री गुरुवे नमः। ॐ स्खलितपादानां भूमिरेवावलम्बनम् त्वयि जाता पराधाना त्वमेव शरणं शिवे। शिवशक्त्या युक्तो यदि भवति शक्तः प्रभवितुम् न चेदेवं देवो न खलु कुशलः स्पन्दितुमपि अतस्त्वामाराध्या हरिहरविरिञ्चादिभिरपि प्रणन्तुं स्तोतुं वा कथमकृतपुण्यः प्रभवति। तनीयां सम्पांसुं तव चरणपङ्केरुहभवम् विरिञ्चि सञ्चिन्वन् विरचयति लोकानविकलम् वहत्येनं शौरिः कथमपि सहस्रेण शिरसा हरः संश्रुत्यैनं भजति भसितो दूलन विधिम्। वेद्यानाम् अन्तस्तिमिरमिहिरद्वीपनगरी जडाना चैतन्यस्तबकमकरन्दश्रुतिझरी दरिद्राणां चिन्तामणिगुणनिका जन्मजलदौ निमग्नाना दंश्रा मुररिपुवराहस्य भवति। अभयवरदो दैवतगणः त्वमेका नैवासि प्रकटितवराभीत्य विनया भयाद्रातुं दातुं फलमपि च वाञ्छा समधिकौ शरण्ये लोकानां तव हि चरणामेव निपुणौ हरिस्वामाराध्य प्रणतजनसौभाग्यजननी पुरानारी भूत्वा पुररिपुमभिक्षोभमनयत् स्मरोऽभित्वा नत्वा रतिनयनलेन वपुषा मुनीनामभ्यन्तः प्रभवति मोहाय महदा मधुकरमयी पञ्चविशिखा वसन्तः सामन्दो मलयमरुदायो धनरथः तथा वेगः सर्वं हिमगिरिसुते कामपि कृपा अपाङ्गाते लब्ध्वा जगदिदमनङ्गो विजयते वर्णत्काञ्चीदामा ಕಲಿಕಳವ ಕುಂಭಸ್ತನನತಾ ಪರೇ ಶ್ರೀನಾಮಧ್ಯೆ ಪರಿಣತ ಶರಶ್ಚಂದ್ರವದನ ಧನುರ್ಬಾಣಾಂ ಪಾಶಂ ಶೃಣಿಮಪಿ ದದಾನ ಕರತಲೈ ಪುರಮದಿತುರಾಹೋ ಪುರುಷಿಕಾ ಸುಧಾ ಸಿಂಧೂರ್मध्ये ಸುರವಿಟವಿವಾಡಿ ಪರಿವೃತೆ ಮಣಿದ್ವೀಪೇ ನೀಪೋ ಭವನವತಿ ಚಿಂತಾಮಣಿ ಗೃಹೇ ಶಿವಾಕಾರೇ ಮಂಚೆ ಪರಮಶಿವ ಪರ್ಯಂಕ ನಿಲಯ ಭಜಂತಿ ತ್ವಾಂ ಧನ್ಯಾಃ ಕತಿಚನ ಚಿದಾನಂದಲಹಃ. कमपि मणिपुरे स्थितं स्वादिष्टाने हृदि मरुतमाकाशमुपरि मनोऽपि भ्रूमध्ये सकलमपि भित्त्वा कुलपतौ सहस्रारे पद्मे सह रहसि पत्या विहरसि. सारे शरणयुगलान्तर्विगलितै प्रपञ्चं सिञ्चन्ति पुनरपि रसाम्नाय महसः अवाप्यस्वं भूमिं भुजगनिवमध्युष्टवलया स्वमात्मानं कृत्वा स्वपिशिकुलकुण्डे गुहरिणी शिवज्योतिभिः पञ्चभिरपि प्रभिन्नाभिः शम्भो नवभिरपि मूलप्रकृतिभिः चतुश्चत्वारिंशत् वसुदलकलाशस्त्रिवलया तिरेकाभिः शातं तव चरणकोण परिणता सौन्दर्यं तुदिनगिरिकन्ये तुलयुतम् कवीरा कल्पन्ते कथमपि विरिञ्चि प्रभृतयः यदा सुख्य अमरललनायान्ति मनसा तपोभिः दृष्ट्रामपि गिरिशसायुज्य पदवीम् नयन विरसं नर्मसुजडम् तवापाङ्गालोके पतितमनुधावन्ति शतशः गलद्वे निबन्धाः कुचकलश विश्रस्तसिचया हठादृष्ट्यत्वाञ्चः विगलितदुकूला युवतया पञ्चाशद्विसमधिकपञ्चाशदुदके हुताशे द्वाषष्टिः चतुरधिकपञ्चाशदनीले दिवि द्विषत्रिंशत् मनसि च चतुष्षष्टि स्मृतीये मयूका श्लेषा युगरितव पादाम्बुजयुगौ ज्योत्स्ना शुद्धा शशियुत जटाजूटमकुटा वरद्रा सत्रान स्फटिक घटिका पुस्तककरा सकृन्नत्वा नत्वा कथमिव सदां सन्निदधते मधु क्षीरद्राक्ष मधुरि मधुरीणा फणितयः कवीन्द्राणां चेतः कमलवनबालादपरुचिं भजन्ते ये सन्तः गदिज तरुणामेव भवतिम् विरिञ्चि प्रेयस्याः तरुणदर शृङ्गारलहरी कविराभिः वाग्भिः विदधति सतां रञ्जनमणि सवित्रीभिर्वाचा शशिमणिशिला पङ्करुचिभिः वर्षिण्याद्याभिः स्वां सह जननि सञ्चिन्तयति यः सकर्ता काव्यानां भवति महतां पङ्किरुचिभिः वचोभिः वाग्देवी वदन कमलामोद मधुरै तनूर्छायाभिस्ते तरुणतरणी श्रीशरणिभिः देवां सर्वामुर्गी अरुणिमणिमग्नां स्मरति यः भवन्तस्य त्रस्य त्वनहरिणशालीननयना सहोर्वर्ष्या कटि कटि न गीर्वाण गणिका मुखं बिन्दुं कृत्वा कुचयुगं पदस्तस्य तदः हराब्दं ध्यायेद्यः हरमहिषिते मन्मदकला सत्य नयति वनिता इत्यतिलघु त्रिलोकीमप्याशु भ्रमयति किरन्ति मङ्गेभ्यः किरणनिकुरुम्बामृतरसं हृदि त्वा मादर्ते हिमगरशिला मुक्तिमिव यः ससर्पाणां दर्भं समयति सकुन्दादिभैव ज्वरपृष्ठा दृष्ट्या सुखयति सुधाधार शिरया तन्वे तपन शशि वैश्वानरमयो निषण्णां षण्णामभ्युपरि कमलानां तव कला महापद्माटव्या मृदितमलमायेन मनसा महान्तः पश्यन्तः ददति परमानन्दलहरी त्वं दाशे मयि वितरदृष्टिं सकरुणा गीते स्तोतुं वाचं कथयति भवानि त्वमिति यः तदैव त्वं तस्मै दिशसि निज सायोज्य पदव्यो मुकुन्द ब्रह्मेन्द्र स्फुटमकुटनीराजितपदा त्वया हृत्वा वामं वपुरपरितृप्तेन मनसा शरीरार्थं शम्भो अपरमपि शङ्के हृदमभो यदेतत्त्वद्रूपं सकलमरुणाभं त्रिनयनौ कुचाव्यामानं कुटिलशशिचूडालमकुटम् जगत्सूते दाता हरिरवतिरुद्रः शबयते तिरस्कुर्वनेत्र स्वमपि वपुरीशस्तिरयति सदा पूर्वः सर्वं ददितमनुगृह्णाति शशिव तव ज्ञामालम्य क्षणचलितयोः लोलतिकयोः सूर्यानां देवानां त्रिगुणजनितानां तव शिवे भवेत् पूजा पूजा तव चरणयोर्या विरचिता तदा हि तत्पादोद्वहना मणिपीठस्य निकटे स्थिता ते शश्वन् मुकुलितकरोटं समकुला विरिञ्चि पञ्चत्वं प्रजति हरिराप्नोति विरतिम् विनाशं कीनाशः भजति धनदो यादि निधनो विदन्त्री माहेन्द्री विदतिरपि सम्मीलितदृशा महासंहारेऽस्मिन् विहरति सदि त्वत्पतिरसौ जल्पः शिल्पं सकलमपि मुद्रा विरचना गरीप्रादक्षिण्यक्रमणम् अशनाद्या उदिविधिः प्रणाम संवेशः सुखमखिलमात्मार्पणदृशा प्रपर्यापर्यायस्तव भवतु यन्मे विलसितम् स्वाध्य प्रतिभय जरा मृत्युहरिणी विवर्ध्यन्ते विश्वे विदिशदमहाद्या विदिशदः करालं यक्ष्वेलं कबलितवतः कालकलना नशो तन्मूलम् तव जननि ताटङ्क महिमा किरीटं वैरिञ्चं परिहरपुरः कैटभवितः कठोरे कोटीरे स्खलसि जहि जम्बारि मकुटं प्रणम्रे श्वेतेषु प्रसवमुभयातस्य भवनो भवस्यायुब्धाने तव परिजनोक्तिः विजयते देहोद्भूताभिः गृणिभिः अणिमाद्याभिः अभितः निषेवे नित्ये त्वाम् अहमिति सदा भावयति यः किमाश्चर्यं तस्य त्रिनयन समृद्धं त्रिनयतो महासंवर्धाग्निः विरचयति नीराजनविद्युम् चतुष्षष्ट्यातन्त्रैः सकलमधिसन्धाय भुवनौ स्थितः तत्सिद्धि प्रसवपरतन्त्रैः पशुपतिः पुनः स्वनिर्बन्धादखिला पुरुषार्थैकघटना स्वतन्त्रं ते शक्तिः कामः श्रुतिरतरवीक्षितकिरणः स्मरोऽहंसः चक्रस्तदनु च परामारहरया अमीहृल्लेखाभिः अवसानेषु घटितया भजन्ते वनास्ते तव जननि नामावयवदाय नरं योनिं लक्ष्मीं हृदयमिदमादौ तव मनो निरायैके नित्ये निरवधि महाभोगरसिका भजन्ति त्वां चिन्तामणिगुणनिबद्धाक्षवलया शिवाग्नौ जुह्वन्तः सुरभीकृतताराहुतिशतैः शरीरं तं शम्भोः शशिमिहिरवक्षोरुहयुगम् तवात्मानं मन्ये भगवति नवात्मानमनघम् अतः शेषः शेषेध्ययम् उभयसाधारणतया स्थितः सम्बन्धो वा समरसपरानन्दपरयो व्योमत्वं मरुदसि मरुत्सारथिरसि त्वमापहस्त्वं भूमिः स्वयि परिणतायां नहि परो त्वमेव स्वात्मानः परिणमयितुं विश्ववपुषः चिदानन्दाकारं शिवयुवति भावेन बिभ्रसे वाज्ञाचक्रस्थं तपनशशिकोटिद्युतिधरम् परं शम्भुं वन्दे परिमिलितपार्श्वं परचिता यमाराध्यान् भक्त्या रविशशिशुषीनामविषये निरालोके लोके निवसति बालोकभुवने विशुद्धौ शुद्धस्फटिक विशदं व्योमजनकम् शिवं सेवे देवी मपि शिवसमानं व्यवसिता ययोः कान्त्या यान्त्याः शशिकिरणसारुभ्य शरणे विधूतान्तध्वान्ता विलसति चकोरीव जगते समुन्मीलत्संवेद कमलमकरन्दैकरसिकम् भजेऽहं सद्वन्तं किमपि महता मानसचरौ यदा अष्टादशगुणित विद्या परिणति यदा दत्ते दोष गुणमखिलमद्वय पयैव तव स्वादिष्टानि पुतमहमदिशाय निरतम् तमीडे संवदं जननी महती तां च समया यदा लोके लोका दहति महसि क्रोधकलिते दयाद्राया दृष्टिः शिशिरमुपचारं रचयति तडित्वन्तं शक्त्या तिमिरपरिपन्ति स्फुरणया स्फुरन्नानारत्नाभरण परिणतेन्द्रधनुषौ तव श्याममेहं कमपि मणिपूरैकशरणौ निषेवे वर्षन्तम् हरमिगिरतप्तं त्रिभुवनम् तवाधारे मूले सहसमयया लास्य परया नवात्मानौ मन्ये नवरसमहाताण्डवनटौ उभाव्यामेताभ्याम् उदयविधि उद्दिश्यतया सनादाभ्यां जज्ञे जनकजननीमज्जगदितम्
That concludes our 41 verses, 41 slokas for today. I hope you all heard and enjoyed it. Thanks to all my voice support and Ashwin
and my organizers,
Sri
Sri Ramakrishna Ji, Madhavan Ji, and all of Sanatana Guru. Thank you.
Do you have a Mangala? Okay. I think I'm getting echo, Madhavanji. Wonderful concert. Please give a hand. And to say we had some little glitch, we had some challenge. Last week we had a trial, and somehow in the trial there was absolutely no problem. Probably there was more people today than in the trial that might have been contributed to. We never know the electronics, how it works. And anyway, Madhavanji took control, and we had some input from other people also, and he managed the concert, the technical aspect of managing the concert very well. He had the job of switching between the vocalist and the violinist, and then the script, all those challenges we overcame. So here we are. We have concluded the concert with the grace of Rita Parmeshwari. Without her grace, nothing moves further. So she has to come forward to help us. It's her glory we are singing, her work we are doing. So there's no other choice for us to that. She is the goddess of power, and that power she has to give, and she gave. And so here we are. We have successfully completed the concert. Thanks very much. to Lataji and her students, and to Ashwin. All of you have made this occasion very enjoyable for us.
Thank
Thank
you,
you.
sir. Thank you.
Now I ask
Either to make a musical analysis
of this concert. Everybody else
Hey,
mute.
everybody. I think others, if they can mute at this point, it'll help. Srin, yeah. So what a wonderful program, and such a beautiful offering, a devotional offering in this auspicious time of Navaratri. Certainly the subject matter of the Ananda Lahari by Shankaracharya is such a famous part of it, and certainly that was a perfect choice. And as you know, music is an equally important tool to offer our devotion to gods and goddesses. And so that musical offering from one side, and Shankaracharya's beautiful, the Sanskrit compositions was a perfect choice here. And just to recall what Dr. Ramakrishna in the beginning said, as the first 41 verses of the Saundarya Lahari, what we call as the Ananda Lahari, is a very beautiful set of these verses on Devi. And the multitudes of faiths in India in today and in all of those days, we may think it is all diverse and all different ways of doing puja and showing our devotion. But Shankaracharya has tried to always bring them all into the path and align them into our Upanishadic teaching and the Advaita teaching. And that is what the beautiful part is. So the religious part of it, the spiritual part, the literary part, the musical part, the historical part, they all come together in these beautiful compositions. It is by no means an easy task to put them into music. First of all, the Sanskrit part of it is it has its own complexity, but my dear friend Lata Mohan has so nicely handled it, and of course it has come from the lineage there, which is also very appropriate here. So I have a little bit appreciation for this, and it is not an easy job. And also to adopt so many ragas. First of all, I have to say hats off to whoever put all these ragas. They are such beautiful traditional ragas. You cannot imagine a gucha of better ragas for all of these. And the very first offering of Ananda Bhairavi is so appropriate too for Ananda Lahari in this part. And every one of them is beautiful. And of course, many of them, people may think they're straightforward. Oh, of course, Ananda Bhairavi is straightforward. Kalyani, Bhairavi, Danyasi, the Karhara Priya, of course. But there are so many not so easy ragas in this. Hemavati, Kedara, Manirango, Sama, these are all not straightforward ones to put them all in there. But it is a wonderful job. And of course, Lata and I go back 30 plus years when we were both students from DK Nagarajan Mama. He would have loved to hear the Sama and the Manirango, which were his favorite ragas.
Yes.
We all learned
Definitely.
some kritis from him on those. So it's nice to get back to your music, Lata, and your.
Thank you, Sridhar.
Next to you, I don't know if Ashwini is your daughter. I remember the name.
Ashwini is there, but she has to go to work, so
Ah,
she didn't
got it.
participate today.
Got it. But
Yeah.
it was a nice company there. I hope
We have,
that,
all
these
these
books-
ladies here,
Ah.
Geeta, Sujata, and Vijaya,
yes,
the dedication they showed in reciting this, they came night till 11 o'clock, they will sit and practice. And I really appreciate all of their voice support today. All of
Yeah,
them
very-
did a great job.
very nice.
And
very-
Ashwin, last minute, you just pulled it off. Thank you, Ashwin.
Well,
We
we
want
want
to
to
thank
Lata for our Guru teaching us. He was so patient in teaching us like all these ragas. Thanks, Mommy.
not only
Not
ragas, on also pronunciation
Yes.
of the We are,
so Anandalagari. So that
Yeah,
was
the
so we are really grateful to her
Blessed.
tutelage.
yes.
We are blessed to learn from her.
Yeah.
And it was a great divine experience, and we cannot thank her enough. We are really
Exactly.
grateful to be
Yeah.
taught by
Students, yeah.
Yes. And thank you, Ashwin. You were awesome.
Thank
Yes.
you, Ashwin.
Thank
oh
Amazing.
well, I'm going to say a
Ashwin,
few words about him too.
Yeah.
the-
Ashwin, you have to get ready for the next till
100.
100.
I'll be ready. Yes.
So, Shankaracharya's work is, of course, has a poetic beauty in itself. Cannot imagine the beauty of these verses as well. And of course, Ashwin, you are you are a pro in this one. And actually, you got the opportunity to be a solo player here and the music part of it, which is beautiful. Every raga came up with the full bhavam there, and certainly you are very blessed to have the HKN and the Bhaskar side of. We just actually had our annual Ganesha Gauri concert with Smita on the violin, and Bhaskar. We are likely to have him visit us this week because they have the concert in our area, Kalyanapuram Aravind, with Bhaskar and Delhi Sairam. So we truly enjoyed your music very much, very appropriate. Of course, when you are singing 40 or 100 shlokas, the interlude with beautiful music in between is a nice segue into getting into it. So on the whole, it was a wonderful musical offering, musical devotional offering at an auspicious time. And on behalf of all of us, I would also like to thank my brother-in-law, Dr. Ramakrishna, for arranging such a wonderful program. Thank you all.
Thank you.
1 minute. My mother, who has been instrumental in teaching me this, she learned from Lalgudi Padmavati Mami, who actually choreographed all the ragas. Like you said, she's done an excellent job. But my mother is here. She is 95 years old. She has blessed us all today. Amma. Hello, Choliko.
Namaskaram.
Namaskaram, Choliko.
Namaskaram.
Pace.
எல்லாருக்கும் பரப்புன்னு சொன்னாரு. அமெரிக்கா வரைக்கும் இந்த பக்கத்துல எல்லாரும் க்ஷேமமா நல்லபடியா நல்லா இருக்கா. எல்லாரும் நல்லா இருக்கணும். அதுதான் என்னுடைய ஆசீர்வாதம். வேற என்னால ஒன்றும் கொடுக்க முடியல. என்னோட பிளெஸிங் தான் கொடுக்குறேன். எல்லாரும் நல்லா இருக்கணும். தீர்க்க சுமங்கலியா தீர்காசோட நல்லா பொங்கி பொழிஞ்சுன்னு நல்லபடியா நல்லா இருக்கணும். அதான் மேடம்.
ஆசீர்வாதம் கொடுத்தாலே போதும்.
கடிமா
மாமி
கடைசியில்
கடைசியில் ஏதோ சொல்லுங்க.
வா.
Okay, thanks to everyone for being part of this divine concert. Appreciate your taking your time to come and be part of this concert. Again, thanks to the artists, Srimati Lata, and students. Let me see if I can remember the name. Geeta, Sujata, and Vijaya. Right? Okay, I remember them. And then also to Ashwin for the violin support. Thank you all very much. And we look forward to a future occasion where we could gather together and sing the glory of Devi. Namaskaram.
Thank you, Ramakrishna ji.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Namaste.